He probably didn't. He's probably offended that I didn't even recognise him.
No, he probably thinks we're one of those people that he lashed out on that messenger group chat. Have you not seen the screenshot?
Yes, I have seen this one.
What are your thoughts on that screenshot?
I don't know. Okay, that is the worst photo I've ever taken.
Oh, boom.
Oh. Why is heat haze so bad?
Because heat haze happens.
Correct, Rory. It is. Well, 81 photos. I'm actually.
I say yes to once.
Of course you do, Rory. No, you don't. Also, by the way, this kid, the second he sees something that he probably should yell out loud, he goes, "Oh, what?" and then screams it out loud. Somehow I take photos better when I'm standing on one leg, like I'm one little unit, whatever. I'm still tired, so be quiet. We're looking at Batik Air. Rory, if you break this glass because your big thick lens. Which gate is it going to go to?
Must day one.
I see no reason for it not to. Actually, it's not that bad of a livery. And Rory is running away.